See, Doug Trio,
yeah.
he's an okay guy.
Yeah, I know.
He doesn't bother anybody.
True.
Hey, friends!
Oh my
Whooper,
gosh.
no.
What's happening? Are we
Whooper.
Are we hanging with the,
Go home.
the crew? You know,
Whooper, look at me. Look at me, Whooper. Go home, Whooper.
So I saw Snorlax today, and I told him, you know, sometimes I think I might be invisible because everyone just kind of ignores me, but then sometimes I think I might have some kind of power to repel people because they always disappear. And then Gyarados comes along, and he's like, dude, come on, he's not even awake. And I'm like, what? Okay. And so I start talking to Gyarados, and Gyarados, he like starts opening his mouth really wide, and he swallows me. Can you believe that? I was like inside his belly, and it was really gross, but everything was kind of like flailing around, and then all of a sudden I wake up, and it was all like cried out, and I was like, what happened? Whoop. I see you, Pikachu.
Leave me alone, man.